who runs an arbitration?
That's a good question, and the answer is it depends. In the United States, many people choose to go with an arbitral institution. And an arbitral institution in the United States, the three big ones are the American Arbitration Association, or JAMS, GAMS, or CPR, which is Conflict Prevention and Resolution. And when you engage or when your arbitration is administered by one of those three organizations, or there's a lot of, in every state and in every specific area of the law, there's smaller arbitral institutions. They will take care of helping you select the arbitrators. They'll make sure all your bills, they invoice you for your bills. They will push things along. They'll make sure that both sides pay their bills and there's enough money to pay the arbitrators. So the truth is they really do a lot. They also provide the rules for the arbitration, because when you're out of the court system, you may not realize it as a private litigant, but you need a body of procedural laws. And so the separate arbitral institutions will provide a body of law, often for each or for many different topics. For example, the American Arbitration Association will provide a body of rules for employment cases, for healthcare cases, for construction, for consumer, for residential cases. So there's a lot of different bodies of rules, and each one is slightly different depending upon the topic at issue. So you can choose, however, not to go to an arbitral institution, and you can choose to have a non-administered arbitration, and then you're asking the arbitrators themselves to deal with all the procedural issues that would be otherwise administered by the AAA or by JAMS or by CPR. And it's not as if you don't pay a fee for that either. You pay for it indirectly, because the arbitrators will charge you by the hour for the work it takes to engage in all the work that the AAA, JAMS, or CPR would otherwise engage in. And the costs generally for an arbitral institution to administer your case will be a percentage of the total claims, the claims and counterclaims in an arbitration.